Welcome to Appliances by Masood. Today I will tell you about Moulinex blender, which is made in France. The model number is LM242B27 and it has 500 watts powerful motor. It has Zelchrome coating stainless steel blades for more best performance, more durable. And also on the lid it has a measuring cup for small quantities. This is the genuine model from Moulinex, which is made in France. And it has two mills, one is grinder and the other one is grater you can use for coconuts, chocolates, and grinder you can use for spices, grains, and nuts. And the jar capacity is 1.75 liter with 1.25 liter working capacity. Moulinex, made in France. The big jar you can use for 1 minute continuously and the small one 30 seconds. Give gaps in between. Welcome to Appliances by Masood. This is a Moulinex blender. The model name of this blender is the genuine Moulinex. This is made in France. It has one speed. This is off and this is pulse. You have to hold this one for setting the texture. It is white in the color. It has a jar which can be easily removed and just press it. It will be locked. And it's mentioned here like Moulinex on the jar. And there is a cap, removable cap with the measurements. Okay, it's 40 ml. And this is the lid, plastic jar, and easy to fill the cups like this with this spout. And then this is the motor, this is the plastic motor, and this is the lock. This red color get pressed with this one. Okay, all this goes here and get locked. So you can use like this, you can use like this, you can use in any direction. You can use it in any direction, it works. Then other than this, there is a grinder. You can fix it like this. It is stainless steel from inside, and it's mentioned here on the cover itself, Moulinex, made in France. So you can remove this one, just turn it and remove it. Stainless steel inside for grinding coffee, nuts, spices, dry mill. It has a plastic bush. Okay, lock it. Then we have next grater. This is the grater mill for coconut, nuts, like this pieces. It will make small pieces of the nuts and coconut. So you can fix this one as well here like this. You can just fix it. In this direction you can fix it. This is grater. If you want to remove, you can remove it by pulling upward. And this is the mill. You can lock it and you can use like this, and you can remove it like this. Let's see what's downside of the motor. It says the type LM343 220 50 hertz. It is 50 hertz only, 500 watts. Usually most of the items, appliances, SDA, small appliances, comes like 50-60, but few of the things like 50 hertz only. 50-60, if it is 50 hertz means you cannot use in every country like Philippines, but if it is 50-60 you can use anywhere. So this is the motor made in France. It has like feet, also rubber feet. When you keep, it will hold it. Then let's see the box, what it says. It says like Moulinex, the genuine LM242. This is the model number. Then it says 10 years repairable product. It means 10 years it can be repaired. It says it can be repaired 10 years but it doesn't says warranty for 10 years. It says 10-year repairable product. You will get accessories, they will fix it. For the parts and accessories you have to pay for that. And here you can see 500 watts, made in France, Moulinex. It's white in color, made in France, over 19 years of French expertise. Let's see in the front side of the box. So here you can see there are some fruits which gets blends and it will become like smoothies. This is the blade, 4 blade. It has 4 blades, 1 speed, total capacity 1.75 liter, 500 watts. Long lasting stainless steel grinder and grater. For this too it says, like tomato sauce, soups, avocado juice, green vegetables, and many things. On the other side of the box it says you can fill with the cap while using convenient and useful integrated measuring cup. Two stainless steel grater and grinder and grater accessories, long lasting, easy to clean. 1.7. So with 2 blades, it says it is a grinder, indispensable accessories for easy spices, nuts, grain, and grinding. And then grater accessory to grate Parmesan cheese, coconut, or other hard ingredients in seconds. And anti-drip feed for more stability. Then there is pulse option, easy and quick to use thanks to 1 speed and pulse function. And there is one more point, this is A500 powerful blender for fast and efficient blending. The watts of the motor is 500 watts and 1.75 liter total capacity, but working capacity is 1.25 liter. Useful. So this is a Moulinex blender, made in France. Let's see on the other side what it says. On the other side it says like 3 in 1, two, one big jar, two small jars, two small mills, 4 blades, zel chrome blade. The model number is LM242, and it says the French expertise since 1938. So it was like since 1938 this brand, our made in France product line has carried out a product heritage, a mix of power, robustness, robustness, easiness, genuine by Moulinex, your daily partner for years and for many more. This is Moulinex blender. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel and share. For more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. Appliances by Masood. Thank you.